Finding the log base a plus bi of c plus di. So we have logarithm of complex number z1 of z2, basically. So say equals x. So a plus bi to the x equals c plus di. So we can say that x equals ln of c plus di, or actually any log base. You could say log base d, or any log really, like any log base. Log d of c plus di, or maybe here. Actually, you should have a different variable. Log base h. Yeah, log base h. So an arbitrary base of c plus di over log base h of a plus bi. And we can do this because we can write this as e to the x ln a plus bi equals e to the x times ln c plus di, right? E to the ln could also just be 2 to the x log base 2 of a plus bi equals 2 to the x of log base 2 of c plus di. This is because 2 and log 2 cancel out and e and ln cancel out, so this just becomes like a plus bi to the x equals, c plus di to the x. Or actually not to the x here. A plus bi to the x equals, this. So, and then we can take the natural log of, so a plus bi times x equals c plus di, so that means x equals ln of c plus di over ln a plus bi, could say. So, since we know the natural log of a complex number, we're going to use natural log. So, remember we have x. So, x equals ln of c plus di over ln of a plus bi, which equals 1/2 ln a squared, or c squared plus d squared plus arctangent of c, or d over c, over 1/2 ln a squared plus b squared plus I tangent to the -1 of b over a, so a, b, c, d. And this equals, you can multiply both sides by 2 to get ln of a squared plus, or d squared plus c squared plus 2i tangent to the -1 of d over c over ln of a squared plus b squared plus 2i arctangent of b over a. There we go. We can write this as, we multiply both sides by ln a squared plus b squared minus 2i arctangent of b over a. So we get ln of d squared plus c squared plus 2i arctangent d over c. And multiply this by ln of a squared plus b squared minus 2i arctangent b over a. And then we divide this by, the natural log of a squared plus b squared all squared. And then we have plus 2i. Here, I'll just sort of expand this. So we can do plus 2i ln of a squared plus b squared arctangent b over a. And then we also have the minus because of the negative sign. So we have minus 2i arctangent b over a. We have ln of a squared plus b squared as well. So these cross out. And we're left with the multiplication of both of them. So we have negative 2i times some stuff and positive 2i times some stuff. So we get negative 4 times I squared, so plus 4. Here you go. Plus 4 ln of your a squared. Let me see. Yeah, ln of a squared plus b. Hold on. No. minus 4i squared, so plus 4. No, actually it's arctangent of b over a squared. And this equals, then we can erase this. And this equals, here, let's actually do this up top. So we have multiplication of two complex numbers, so ln of d squared plus c squared times ln of a squared plus b squared. We get natural log of a squared plus b squared times ln of c squared plus d squared. And then we get minus 2i arctangent b over a times ln d squared plus d squared. So I'll write that maybe. Yeah, I'll write that minus 2i ln d squared plus c squared arctangent b over a. And then we have plus 2i arctangent d over c times ln a squared plus b squared. 2i, or ln of plus b squared arctangent d over c. And then we have the multiplication of both of them. So we have plus 4, and then we have, let's see, 2i times negative 2i is going to be positive 4, and then we have arctangent d over c times arctangent of b over a. So we have plus 4 arctangent b over a arctangent d over c over, I could say y, this stuff, over y. Gonna erase this. Here, I'm gonna rewrite this. We're almost there. So this equals, we have real part and imaginary part, so you can split the two. We can't simplify those really. And neither can we with this product. So now we have minus 2i natural log and tangent. They have plus 2i natural log, natural log and tangent. But the thing is, the natural logs are different. So we have natural log of d squared plus c squared, and here we have natural log of a squared plus b squared. And we also have arctangent of d over c, and there we have arctangent of b over a. So we're just going to do plus I times let's see, 2, hold on, 2 natural log of a squared plus b squared, arctangent d over c, and then we have minus 2i, so I is, we're going to factor out an I, so minus 2 ln d squared plus c squared times the arctangent of b over a. And then we're going to divide this by the same thing, ln of a squared plus b squared, all squared, plus 4 times the arctangent of b over a, all squared. And haven't used blue yet. And haven't used green yet. We are done. So there we have it.